In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products to Wayfair Supplier Upload Guide. Let's get started right from your browser. First, search for a sell with Wayfair and open the official Wayfair partner or supplier portal. This takes you to the workspace you'll use to manage your catalog. Sign in with your business account to access your dashboard. Make sure you have the right permissions for catalog management. If your team controls access, confirm you're enabled to add products. Once you're in, look for the catalog area and click Add New Products. This is where the upload process begins. You'll be asked to choose between Quick Upload and Guided Upload. Quick Upload is great if you're comfortable with spreadsheets and need to add multiple SKUs quickly. Guided Upload walks you through the attributes step by step, which is helpful if you're new to Wayfair's templates or working with a complex category. Pick the option that fits your workflow and click to continue. Next, click Download Template. At this point, Wayfair needs to know the product class. A class is the specific category your item belongs to, and it determines which attributes are required. Choose a class that precisely matches your product so you get the correct fields for things like dimensions, materials, finishes, and safety details. When you found the best match, click Add Selected Class to confirm your choice. Now click Download Template again to get the class-specific spreadsheet. Open the file and review the Instructions tab first. You'll typically see required fields for SKU, product name, brand, category attributes, dimensions, and weight, materials, color or finish, pricing, inventory, shipping details, and image links. Enter one product or variant per row. Follow the allowed values shown in each column and keep units consistent. Don't rename or reorder the headers and use valid URLs for images. If you see fields flagged as required, complete them before saving. When you're done, save the file on your computer. Head back to the portal and click Upload. Choose your completed template file from your computer. Give it a moment to process, then click Submit. The system will validate your data and notify you of any errors or warnings. If something needs fixing, download the feedback, correct the specific rows in your template, save, and re-upload. When the upload is accepted, your products move into review and will publish according to Wayfair's timelines. That's the full flow. Search the portal, log in, add new products, choose your upload method, download the right template, select and add your class, download the class-specific file, upload it, choose your file, and submit.